Did a little barky bark there. Greetings, fellow life forms. We are back. We are back in the Microverse. Okay, so things have happened. Things have grown. Things have died, and we're gonna get into all of that right now. This is my work terrarium, the one that I had on my desk. All the moss has died, but it's grown into a super nice fern forest type situation. Look, it's sending runners everywhere. This is the Guild of Gaconia. Treffy was just out. I think we missed him because of the light came on, and then he has a hiding spot. This entire area here is removable. It's a detachable hide. Then we have Pandora. Pandora's moss has grown nicely, but there are problem areas. There are also plumbing issues. I was gonna say plumbing areas. No, there are plumbing issues. There's a little dripping from the back there. These are supposed to be cascading waterfalls. Cascading? No, it's cascading. And look, oh my god, this is the overgrown desktop waterfall. Java moss is just crazy. It's a deranged moss, you guys. Oh, yes, this is a project I did not show because it was not successful. As you can see, yeah, mold just overtook everything. This one is not doing so bad. The Boston fern is coming along nicely. The oak leaf creeping fig is also really coming along. Words are not early in the morning things. Only thing that survived this is the liverwort. A little moss here and there and the pothos on top, but the liverwort just overtook. Some browning out, some greening moss, but yeah, the variegated creeping fig is not really looking too good, but I'll probably redo everything. This terrarium has not had maintenance for like 2 years now, I want to say. Yeah, a couple of years now. It is in dire need of some maintenance indeed. Okay, moving on. Here there is some moss, but the asparagus fern is not looking too hot right about now. And look at this glorious environment that has propagated the oak leaf creeping fig. I love my oak leaf creeping fig. It's just the texture, you guys. It's so pretty. Okay, and this one, plants are doing well, but moss is not. It seems like it's either one or the other. And the photo frame has luscious green spots, but also has very browny brown spots. And the tower one kind of is the same. Okay, moving on to the assassin layer. Hello, Yumi. Good morning. Yeah, the ficus did in fact take over. I'm happy to see a lot of variegations here, so it's not just the normal ficus that has grew. But look at that. That's quite the ficus root right there. Yeah, the palm is coming back though. Wasn't doing too good in the last update video, but it's coming back. None of the moss hath survived. Not sure why. It is probably the light switching that I have done. But look at this. I'm going crazy over on the dry side. I'm gonna need to organize this in some fashion, possibly. And then there's these guys. Oh, did a little barky bark there. Did you guys hear that? They are so adorable. Did you find the brain cell yet? I guess not. Oh, look at that. Might we be getting tadpoles soon? I hope. They're really personable and cute. So yeah, the embassy is an overgrown mess, and it is kind of an embassy of rocket killies or panda killies, Minimus and Minima, and their offspring.
If you want to see how I built this slice of paradise, click here. If you want to see some more shenanigans, here's a playlist. And if you haven't yet, click this button. Yeah, that one there. Yes, that one.